Hey everyone! Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to fix GatherTown login problems. Yeah, if you're unable to access your account, stuck on the login screen, or getting errors, don't worry. This guide will help you solve the issue quickly because, honestly, login issues are one of the most common problems when using virtual spaces like GatherTown. So first, double-check your login credentials. Uh, Make sure your email, username, or Google True Other provider account is entered correctly. Even a small typo or caps lock can prevent you from signing in. Next, reset your password if needed. Yeah, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to create a new one. This usually resolves most login issues immediately. After that, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable networks can block login requests, so reconnect your Wi-Fi or switch to a more stable network. Also, clear your browser cache and cookies. Yeah, sometimes old cache data can interfere with login sessions, so clearing it helps you start fresh. And yeah, try a different browser or device. So, if your browser has extensions or settings causing conflicts, switching to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox can fix the problem. Finally, make sure GatherTown is updated and check their server status. Most of the time, following these steps will resolve login problems, letting you join your virtual spaces smoothly and without interruptions. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.